when the train station got knocked down. I do believe my great granddad rehomed it. I know it as my great grandma's clock. Amy that comes into chat, her mum has all of the clocks. It would drive me nuts. She has loads and loads of different clocks all over the place, or at least used to, including the cuckoo clock and chiming clocks and shit. That's me nearly falling over. I didn't know. We're okay. But yes, that's the only clock. Chicken. So, Chicken, how was your night? Did you have a good night's sleep? So, interview with the chicken. Hi. Hello. Oh, this clock had its chimes turned off. Grub. What? Is that comfy? Hi. We need to moisturize your ears. We do. Yes. So what do you think to the weather right now? Is it too cold? Is that why you're all nice and cozy? Oh, so yeah, no, that's fair. That is more than fair. I remember a time when the clock did have its chimes turned on. And there was a chime on the hour and then the half an hour. Mm. Are you sleepy? Does this mean you'll have 2 clocks under the bed? Are you all warm and cozy?